Hello, friends. My name is Anjali Gupta. I am a coach of public speaking for entrepreneurs and professionals. I welcome you all to my show, which is The Anjali Show. All of you who do not know what The Anjali Show is all about, let me tell you, my friends, it is for those people who would like to share their message with the world. So, whether you are an influencer, entrepreneur, trainer, speaker, coach, consultant, or even if you are none of these, I'm sure all of us have some words of wisdom, some learnings that we have had from the world, and we would like to share it with those people who would like to learn from us and would like to share with the world as well. So, this is what we do. We invite all those people who would like to come and share their message with the world on our platform, which is The Anjali Show. Well, my friends, in case you are very much interested in coming on our show, you can also get in touch with us. Our WhatsApp number is 9717800032. You can also join us on our Facebook group, which is The Anjali Show. Alternatively, you can also send us an email on theanjalishow@gmail.com. So, friends, as I said, that every time in every show of ours, we invite one esteemed guest and we talk to the person, understand what is their message all about. Today, we have with us yet another esteemed guest. His name is Mr. Sri Harsha. We welcome you on the show, Mr. Sri Harsha.
Thank you, Anjali. Hi,
Namaskaram.
namaskar.
Friends, let me read out his bio to you. Sri Harsha is a trader, investor, and also an author of an upcoming book, Option Expiry Secrets. He has been actively trading in stock markets from past 15 years and has been helping millions of traders across the globe with his strategies and trading systems, my friends. He has taken live trading challenges many times and has helped thousands of them to take their trade in the right way. His vision is to build the largest giver community. Rather, my friends, let me put it this way, he wants to build the world's largest big community so that they would be helping the people in times of their need. Isn't that phenomenal, my friends? Let us hear from him, what he has to say. So, Sri Harsha, my first question to you would be about your book because the name itself is so intriguing. Option Expiry Secrets. I'm really wondering what is there in store for us in the book. So, why don't you just share it with us right now so that I can read the book, my viewers can read the book, all the viewers who are watching this show can read this book.
Okay, thank you, Anjali, for inviting me for the show. And about the option expiry secret, see, this is actually my signature program because see, options is something which is a little, what do you say? It's little, it's more of a jargon. A lot of people don't understand, and people actually look at it more as a gambling. But options actually work on a very specific reason, and it actually is an amazing thing. It actually can make you a lot of money. After actually completing my program, I have done a program on that. The same program I have actually authored it as a book, because options is something which is a place where you can make a lot of money. It is actually it's where actually somebody who is new to the market, or he is actually, if they are veteran, if they know how to do it professionally, they have a huge potential of making maybe double the income or maybe 10 times the income on a single day. That is actually the power of option. And that on an expiry day, it actually works crazily. People would have seen that, but I will be mainly uncovering the secrets how if you do it, because they know that sometimes they would make money, but many times they lose money. But here you will know when exactly to take the trade, when exactly you should avoid the trade. So that's the whole purpose of this. It's on option buying, not on selling. So that's the
Oh,
advantage.
all right. That would be really so good. We would be rather you book your book and your signature program, and you would be helping the people save their money. Otherwise, we tend to lose a lot of money. And like I'm really afraid of the stock markets and the share trading and all because I just do not understand any single word of, stocks and the shares. Okay, my next question to you, Sri Harsha, is that what is the advice that you would like to give to the traders who would like to get started? Perhaps a person like me, you can think.
Okay. Anybody who wants to get started, I would personally suggest them to start with direct investing. Investing is a much better thing. Look at a longer time frame and invest in a company which you are actually convinced. You feel that no matter what, whatever happens with the COVID, whatever news comes, whatever crash happens, doesn't matter. I will actually hold on to that. So that is the kind of stocks which you personally believe in. It's the kind of company which you personally feel that this is the company which is going to stay. So if you can invest in that, that's what even Warren Buffett says. He actually says invest at least for a period of 5. If you cannot be in the company at least for 5 to 10 years, you cannot even be for 5 minutes. So don't even actually go and do.
Oh, okay, fine. So we have to be really cautious. So, my friends, I am sure you would understand that only buy a stock or a share only if, in case you can be in the company for a period of 5 years, because it is all about investment, according to Sri Harsha and Warren Buffett as well. So, my next question to you is, what are the kind of courses a person can take up who's interested to do a trade professionally speaking?
Okay, there are a couple of courses. In fact, in my YouTube channel, I have given some free courses also so that they can watch and they can actually get started somewhere. Because the main challenge is there's a whole lot of information on the internet, but there's always a lot of confusion. People actually are always confused what to do, what not to do. So I've actually compiled everything. I've made a playlist in my YouTube channel, so they can go and search for Crazy Money with Street. That is my YouTube channel, and on the channel in the playlist they can actually watch that. That is actually a free program. Then I have a small thing which I would actually suggest you to people to get started to know actually more detail is a micro trading system. It is another signature program of mine, which is a 5-day program, which I do it hardly for 499 rupees. This is mainly to give them a complete knowledge on how actually it has to work. I give them two powerful strategies which actually work in any kind of market. They can use it whether they want to do intraday, whether they want to do swing trading, investing, whatever they want to do. They can. It works for any market. It works for any time frame. So they can actually use those strategies. What I do is on day one, I tell them what is that particular system all about. Day two, I actually show them the strategy, and I'll also show them how they can actually pick the stocks. On day three, we actually look at what stocks, how do we prepare for the next day? Because on day four, we do a live market trading. So we will be actually, you can see the whatever theory is there in practice. So on day four and day five, they have to do their own trade. So that's how the whole thing is. My purpose is by 5 days, you should actually fearlessly be able to trade. So that's the whole idea.
Okay, so I believe your course is more of a combination of theory plus practical.
It's very practical because
It's
they have to do assignments every day.
okay. It's very, very practical. So what is the percentage of theory and what is the percentage of practical in this?
See, it's almost 50-50, you can think, because
All right.
yeah, see, theory they have to understand, then actually they can put it into practice, and they are asked, they are ensured that they are actually getting into practice, because that is the whole objective. Every day they have assignments, every day they need to complete the assignments, and on day 5 they will be able to trade on their own.
Right. So how can someone really get mentored by you? Because I'm sure after listening to whatever you are saying, whatever things that you are sharing with us, people would love to get mentored by you. And so what is the way they can reach you out? How can they do it?
The best thing is let them get started with this pro trading system, because they
Okay.
will have to get to know me, and then we will have. There are a lot of opportunities which are there, which I will be actually showing them on the day 5, because that is where they will actually know. They first of all, first and foremost thing, I have my free program. They can look at that. The second thing is this is a entry level program which anybody can afford. It's just 499, and after that, well, if they are actually convinced, then actually my mentorship is open and they can actually look at all the options and then they can take a decision.
Okay, wow, wonderful. Thanks for sharing, my friends. Thanks for sharing, Sri Harsha, my friends. And I'm sure you must have had a lot of learning from whatever Sri Harsha is sharing. And I would encourage you to go through his book. And by the way, when do we expect your book, Sri Harsha, to be out?
This should be out probably by next by March. By March, I should be actually. It's already done. Only the final stages are actually there. I should be out. It should be out within probably March is the deadline. I'm actually keeping for it.
Wow, that's wonderful, friends. So the new financial year, you can always learn this particular course and get started there and then. Read out his book, watch his videos, visit his YouTube channel, and that is what is going to help you understand his persona a little better. Because when he says he's mentored so many of them, and I'm sure there is a lot of knowledge, a lot of learning that would be available in his videos, in his books. And I encourage you to take up his course, and this is what is going to help you in case you're really interested in the stocks and the share market. So it is always better to invest wisely and safely. And in case you can get mentored by the veterans of the industry, nothing like it. Then, of course, you can be sure that you are not going to lose your money anyhow. My friends, The Anjali Show, in case you would like to join us on The Anjali Show, I will repeat my details for you. Uh, you can always get in touch with us on our WhatsApp number 9717800032. Alternatively, you can also join our Facebook group by the name of The Anjali Show. You can also send us an email on theanjalishow@gmail.com. I'll repeat my details. WhatsApp number is 9717800032. Facebook group is The Anjali Show, and email ID is theanjalishow@gmail.com. Thank you so very much for listening to us. Thank you so very much, Sri Harsha, for joining us and sharing a wonderful knowledge for me as well as for our audience. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali.